Number 2, for each scenario, you're going to write a linear equation. What I mean by linear equation is that you are looking for so what you're looking for is y equals mx plus b for each one of them. Okay. All right. So an ice rink charges hockey players an initial fee of $50 to rent the ice rink. The initial fee is the b value. Also, the rink charges an addition of $2.50 per player. This is $2.50 per player, so that makes it the slope. And P is the player. Write an equation for the total cost. So we can make it y is equal, player is the letter x. Y is equal to $2.50 per player. So we multiply that by x. Then we add the initial fee of $50. So that would be the equation. Next, at the beginning of spring, Addison plants a small sunflower in her backyard. She got the small sunflower at the store at 1 week old and has a height of 5 inches. Once she planted the tree, after 4 weeks since its birth, the sunflower is 14 inches tall. Let H represent the height. Well, here we again want to write y equals mx plus b, but we don't have slope, nor do we have y-intercept. We are missing m and we are missing b. To get a good visual, let's set up a chart. So here we have weeks, which can be the letter x, and then it has h, which is just the height. Okay. We don't know what is it at 0 weeks. We know 1 week it is 5. We don't know it at 2. We don't know at 3. We know it at 4. 4 is at what? 14. Right? Perfect. So what we can do then is we can see the change. Right? So we noticed from here to here it was plus 3. So from here to here, 5 to 14, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, which is 9. Okay. So that means the m, which is going to be 9 over 3, which can just be simplified into just 3 over 1. That means it increased for every single 1 day, it increased by 3. So this became 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 14. So we can actually go back while minusing 3. This gets us a 2. Now we got the 0 term here. B equals to 2. That gets us our equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. But remember, the question wants h for height. So it's not y. They want h here for height. Right? And C, the store at which Zendaya usually shop is having a sale. Beef costs $4 per pound and shrimp costs $10 per pound. Notice here it is two things, right? $4 a pound. Beef costs $4 per pound and shrimp costs $10 per pound. These are two things. Okay, you want to use the letter S for shrimp and B for beef. Then you also have this. Okay, this is the total. So we want an equation. So beef is B, and that is $4 per pound. So 4B plus we have $10 per shrimp. 10 per shrimp. That's going to be equal to the total of 96. There you go. This equation for C is in standard form. It's not in y equals mx plus b. There is no slope. There is no y-intercept. It's just an item per something and an item per something else. Okay?